My name is Jason. I'm the Sales and Export Director of Anhui Prada Machine Manufacturer Company Limited, which has been manufacturing HVAC duct forming machines for years. This video is for our angle iron flange forming machine. Please allow me to introduce you more details of it. This machine can automatically punch holes on angle iron to make angle iron become suitable for further flange forming process. This machine can also shear or notch angle iron as per your needs. Specification of this machine: feeding speed 15 meters per minute, punching speed 1000 times per hour, maximum punching hole diameter 26 millimeters, capable angle iron thickness 5 millimeters, capable angle iron length 6 meters, punching force 400 kilonewtons. We are currently open to cooperate with any distributors or end users in HVAC duct fields worldwide. If you are interested, please do not hesitate to contact me directly. My email address is jason@predamachine.com. Thank you very much for the listening and watching. Thank you very much.